Hey guys, John here. So Lasfit has restocked their website for their 6th gen 4Runner floor liners. So this video, we're gonna install them and put them to the test while out in Gilmer, Texas. If you guys like the product at the end of the video, there is a link and a discount code in the description for you guys. So this is the reason why you need these mats. So I was offering with the 4Runner up in Kentucky, and you can tell that these floor mats of the 4Runner do not cover anything worth of crap. So we got mud all up in here, rocks all over the place. If we go ahead, take these dudes out, you can see everything along the sides right there. So we're gonna go ahead, vacuum this out, throw the Lasfit ones in. And for shits and giggles, look how pathetic the OEM ones are compared to the Lasfit. So lining them up on the little spots, this is the amount of coverage you're gonna get with the Lasfit ones compared to the OEM. This is absolute garbage, man. All right, so install super easy. Already got it all cleaned out. I let all these mats rest in the sun. Now they have these little caps right here, and you can go ahead and pop them off. This is so it locks into place. What you do, just take it, make sure that you get under the gas pedal, and then they just lock into place, and then you guys can see that amazing coverage now. So the mat goes up over this little seal right here. We go up into the dead pedal, around the firewall, or I'm sorry, the transmission tunnel right here too, and then it contours nicely around the seat. It actually goes back a little bit more too. Actually, I'm an idiot. Upon further inspection, these little cap things right here, they are actually meant for when you lock them all into place to put the caps back on. So they snap back into place. That way, no grit and grime gets up into here. So there we go. So protecting the little lock pins right there. So definitely don't throw those away like an idiot. Take them off to install them and then put them on both the passenger side and also the driver's side. And we got that passenger side looking nice and good. Total coverage right here, man. I just love how good Lasfit stuff contours OEM to the vehicle. All right, so now for the middle row. This is what Toyota gives you. Pathetic, dude. Just small little carpet kind of spots, and then check out Lasfit's. You can't even see the OEM anymore. So we got nice ones for the driver's side, passenger side, and if you have someone in the middle, you also have this right here to cover the middle seat with Lasfit liners right there embossed in it. Very nice kind of tactile material. So gonna go ahead, put this in the passenger side. And there we go, got solid coverage back here. Again, contours around everything perfectly, even up into the front seats right there. Got good protection right here if you have a center occupant. And yeah, you could just tell how good they just lasered all of this stuff and 3D scanned the whole 4Runner to make sure that's all good. Now my favorite part is going to be the rear cargo area. So I haven't set it up yet, so I gotta catch it before it hits my garage. Wow. All right, so the cargo area on the 4Runner doesn't come with any sort of mat at all. And you can already tell this kind of cheaper carpet that Toyota uses, like it kind of just frays up a little bit. So I vacuumed it. We've had the dogs back here. You could just tell like this carpet is fraying up from anything kind of on it. So the cool thing is not only are we gonna get a mat right here, but we are also gonna get some protection right here on the seats. All right, so rear cargo mat going in. Oh, nice. So actually I didn't notice, if you see over here, we had plastic before, so the dog's little paws would scratch on that. There's even more plastic over here on this side. So it has that all protected. All that plastic is covered. And then they even right here still cut out the spots so you could put D-rings if you needed to. That's actually really nice. Easy. Woo! All right, so the way that I'm gonna install these seats, that way I have them all nice and flat. So on the back side of these, you could see that there's actually some kind of Velcro material on it. So I'm just gonna line it up with the little, what are these things called? Yeah, car seat hooks. We don't have kids, I don't know what these things are called. So go ahead and just line it up, pull it up a couple times if needed. How's that look?
Looks good.
Pretty good? Yeah. So in case you put your seats down or whatever and you want all this protected too, again, because the cheap material that Toyota uses, or if you just have the doggos or something in the back, you don't want it kind of messing up the material over here, so you guys can definitely see the difference between the two seats. There, don't let off.
4Runner doing work.
So this is the Carnage from Gilmer, Texas. Thank God had the Lasfit liners on this. All this red dirt, all this dust, it's all over the vehicle though, but it's not seeping into the carpet. Even if we lift up right here too, maybe some rocks, just like a couple, like from my feet hitting the plastic right here, which it doesn't go up, but all of this isn't in all of this. So I hope you all enjoyed. Again, link and discount code in the description for you guys. Lasfit, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Your guys' product is freaking awesome. I appreciate you all watching, and I will catch you in the next one. All right, see you later.